What is up, guys? Back with another video. In 10 years from now, are you going to care that the stock market corrected 20% in 2025? It's like, that's probably not going to happen. I realized in life that no time is ever the right time for anything. Having kids, getting married, moving to another state, putting your money in the stock market. Like Nike, you just do it. Analysis paralysis, and then we do nothing. New to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm a 41-year-old dad of 4, and my wife and I have an e-commerce business that we've been running since 2013. Facebook ads started in 2012. We started learning about Facebook ads, Google AdWords. I still manage and run all of my own ads. We've done over $80 million in sales, selling $5 to $10 products, creating systems to where things get measured when we're not around. I was a diesel mechanic for 15 years. Before that, I worked at Pep Boys, selling car parts. Before that, I worked at Pizza Bowlies delivering pizzas. Before that, I worked as a mason laborer. And before that, I worked at Roy Rogers making chicken. And before that, I worked at Dunkin' Donuts for one day. It was just one day. I couldn't do the retail, the quick service, dude. Holy hell, that's stressful. The Roy Rogers was a little bit better because I was in the back making the chicken. I don't know what was in it. I don't want to know. I'm making this video because I get a lot of comments on the channel, so I get comments related to starting a family, maybe investing in the stock market. The thing you got to think is, what is your future self going to think about in 10 years? We're always thinking about tomorrow. The time is not right. You might not have the money in the bank account. You might not be ready to have kids, or you might not be ready to get married because you feel like you're going to live in an apartment and you want to have a house first. And in 10 years from now, are you going to wish you did or wish you didn't, or be glad you didn't? Seriously, ask yourself that. In 10 years from now, are you going to be glad that you didn't put the money in the stock market? Oh, we got a subscriber, I think. That might not have been a subscriber. If you are and you saw the video, dude, leave a comment. I appreciate everybody watching the channel. But if I have any regrets, regret not doing things sooner. Starting a business, having kids. I had kids early, dude. I was 23. We were grocery shopping at the dollar store. My wife was working night shift at Giant Food in Baltimore on Route 40, taking the city bus home to Edmondson Avenue. Some nights I'd pick her up in my little 2001 Toyota Corolla. I had an exhaust leak because I backed it into a parking curb and it pushed the muffler forward. So I used to have to drive around with the windows cracked, like a little bit cracked. I'll try to find some pictures of my son in the back wearing like a jacket, a hoodie, a beanie, a hat on top of the beanie because it was winter time and I had to drive around with the windows down because the exhaust was so strong in the car. Yeah, if I had any regrets, it'd be not starting sooner. Whatever it is. Even me just doing YouTube videos or whatever it is. Starting this second Shopify brand for fun. Should have done this way long time ago, dude. What am I doing? It's like, you know, you have a skill right now. You're like, let's say you're a carpenter, or maybe you know something. Maybe you know things about insurance or air conditioning industry units. I don't know, whatever it is. This guy, Richard Boswell, he taught me everything I knew about Allison transmissions. He said to me one day, skill is like a diamond in your wrist nobody can steal. Why aren't I creating, dude? We keep trying to buy assets and create things that way. Why don't we create assets? A YouTube channel is an asset. Let's say this channel makes $12,000 a year. Divide that by 4%. That's like the dividend for SCHD. What is that worth? You know what I mean? 200 and some thousand probably. It's like having a rental property from nothing. But when you look at it on like a cash flow basis, I'm jumping all around, but you get what I'm saying. If you're waiting on doing something, dude, just do it. But the thing is, you know how you'll start doing something? Put yourself in it. Immerse yourself in. Like I opened the Shopify page. Now I've got the 3 months to get the damn store built. If not, I'm paying $16 a month or whatever it costs. So start doing. Once you start doing and you'll stack those little tiny wins, you'll get momentum. But you got to get started, whatever it is. Even if you've been waiting to go to the gym or something, I don't know. Dude, do you know how long it was from the time I stopped going to the gym till I started back up? And all it is just one day, putting your shoes on, going up there and signing up for the membership, facing your fear and walking in there and having that weird tour. They walk you around and show you off in front of everybody. Look at this new guy, he's out of shape. Everybody look at him while I show him around and how the machines work. I'm joking around, but you know what I'm saying. Just go up there, tell them I don't want the tour, I'm good, sign me up. And once you're in there, dude, you're just in there. You're just like everybody else. Nobody even notices you. And then your whole life's going to change by one little tiny habit. One little tiny habit, dude. And your whole life's going to change. I'm about to pull into this Starbucks, get my laptop. See, this is one of my habits. I don't go to sleep at night unless I do my non-negotiables. I got to make sure I do those things. And then I got to make sure that I do my e-commerce work. I got to get the profit above $3,000 every single day. $3,000 a day is $1 million a year. Strap your shoes up, boys. It's time to party. It's like, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys, seriously.